Hi, this is David with the Discount Dragon, and we are out here checking out some garden stuff. We're going to take a quick look at the garden, and then I'm going to show you what's happening with our potatoes. So this is how things are coming along. The oregano has really exploded. It's fighting with the mint for territory, and the oregano is all the way up there, so it's like 9 feet high or something. So over here we have kind of cleaned out some of the garden area here, which was overgrown with various herbs and brambles and stuff. And we also went through the back where our sweet potatoes are. We've got two kinds of sweet potatoes. And we dug up all of the sweet potatoes that were big enough to eat and just kind of, reworked things a bit. We're going to be planting some stuff for the fall. But what I brought you here today to discuss is what's happening with our sweet potatoes. We have gotten a big bunch of them, and we're going to show you that in a video in a minute, but a lot of them had, been chewed or rotted or bug infested or something, and this hadn't happened last time. So I thought I would have you take a look at that, and if anybody's got any ideas, maybe you can put it in the comments. So here are some of the ones that were the most attacked, and just kind of saved pieces for demonstration. This one broke, but also you notice it's got these holes in it, which are not the ideal thing to have in your potatoes. And here you get another example. That's kind of typical, this irregular sort of hole like that. See, this is one of our bigger potatoes, and it's nice, but once again, you got this sizable hole here, and just kind of wondering what's going on. A couple more examples, and then we'll wrap this up.
Oh,
this one just kind of split it.
That one got the award for ugliest sweet potato.
This is ugliest sweet potato, but this one's not really attacked, I don't think. I think it just split. Yeah. And you've got this weird little guy here with little holes in him.
That's the appendix sweet potato award.
Oh yeah, I could see that, like a little organ of some kind.
There's more awards coming.
Now this, I got a couple like,
What was it?
I think it was an earwig, but I thought it was a spider.
Oh, it's...
Anyway.
Yes, so that's why I didn't want these in the house.
Several of them that have been like eaten halfway down, and that's not ideal either. I'm just looking at the roaches down there.
I'll get the chickens. Oh, what is it? Oh, that's the potato most likely to have been reincarnated from a narwhal.
I can see that.
Yeah,
a narwhal potato.
There we go.
So this one's got some holes too. We just saving some of these out for examples.
Let's see the littlest one yet or not.
Ooh,
that's
that
just
is
gross.
Just gross.
We're not
if you look, you can see some bugs moving around in there.
Yeah, put that down.
Yeah, this one might get thrown back into the garden. When I get a nasty potato, I just stick them back in the garden, because something I've noticed is, like some of the ones like this that rotted halfway down, since they're no longer attached to the parent plant, they just start growing as a separate potato plant, because they're, kind of on their own. They're like, oh, what do I do? Let's see. We got
now, you see what that is? That little one? Look at that.
Yeah, that is tiny.
The tiniest one right there. Look at that. It's like a little bird.
Yeah, it is.
That is my Zuni fetish sweet potato. little bird there.
And a pitiful potato? Not really that relevant. This one's gross. Okay, so this one got eaten halfway down, and then there's another hole, and it's eaten from the other end.
Someone was having a good time with that.
Now, the bugs that I found in these pretty commonly are pill bugs and earwigs. I found there's a lot. Also spiders, but I don't think spiders eat potatoes, so I don't think there's a connection there. I'm going to be looking at pill bugs and earwigs and see if they would eat potatoes. I don't know. Another possibility for the ones that have been really eaten is that maybe mice got in there and chowed down on them. I don't know.
They would have to dig down.
But anyway, this is our potato report, and we will be back at some point with more random gardening stuff. See you later. Bye.